Hello, this is a video on clutches that are used on UBE equipment, and today I'd like to present to you the handing of the clutches and how to change the springs. This is a typical clutch that is used on a UBE bagger or slicer, and it is used to disengage it's used to drive the sprocket and also disengage if something after the sprocket gets jammed. And what you have is a basic hub, and it's keyed to the shaft that powers it. And then you have an eye bolt here and a spring and then an arm, and attached to the arm is a cam follower. And what you do is you have that cam follower then fall into the notch for the sprocket that it is going to be driving. So it fits in like that. And this clutch is considered right hand. As you can see, the clutch is going this way and it's rotating clockwise. So that's considered a right hand clutch. Now a left hand clutch rotates the opposite direction and it is considered left hand clutch. And I'd like to point out that as you look at it, both clutches have the exact same parts. What's different on them is the fact that the eye bolt on one clutch is on this ear of the hub, whereas on the other one, as you can see, it's on the other ear. And the arm is flipped over and the cam follower is on the other side. So you can actually convert this clutch into this clutch and this clutch into this clutch by simply repositioning the parts. Now to change the springs, there's three different springs. One is considered a plain, which is light, a blue, which is medium strength, and a red spring, which is heavy strength. And to change them, what you have to have is a clutch tool like this, and you stick the pointer inside this little divot that's on the back of the eye bolt, and you run it back far enough so that this arm in the front will fit down into the slot. And once it's down in there, you begin turning, and you want to make sure that this end catch of the tool grabs only this little cup and doesn't get in the way of the eye bolt. Then you keep turning until the cup comes out of the arm. Then you can swing it out. Be careful because it's spring loaded. You take the tension back off like that. You pull the cup off, and you take the spring off, and say I want to go with the blue. You put the blue on, you put the cup on, and then you put the clutch tool back on. The end of the cup, just like that, and then you begin to tighten it down. Pop it in there, and there it goes in, and that's how you change the spring. Thank you.